Okay, y'all want to hear something scary? Listen to this shit. It's coming from the trees. It's like something out of a horror movie. Okay, no more cars. It kind of reminds me of the movie The Langoliers. You know, when those little cannonball things came down and ate up the past? Crunch, crunch, crunch. What the hell is that? I know we have frogs in the back and crickets, but is that some kind of a frog that lives up in a tree that I don't know about? That damn cars. Let's see. Look at in the back. Hi, kitty. Oh, sorry, kitty. I scared the cat. Listen. What the hell is that? I'm gonna have to ask my neighbors tomorrow. Okay. Well, so far, I had 2 days of empty nest syndrome all over again. Got over that. I had 1 day of piss off. Got over that. Found out that I don't have a bank branch in my entire state of South Carolina. Chase Bank is not in this state. I don't know why. The only thing I have to figure is they must have pissed somebody off at one time and the governor banned them. I don't know. I think it's the only state of the union that doesn't have a Chase Bank, except for maybe Hawaii and Alaska. So now, I gotta get another bank. But first, I've gotta get an ID because my Florida ID is missing. It was either stolen or lost. I don't know whichever it was. But I can't do banking business if they don't have a bank in my state, because eventually I'm going to have to get a new bank card and I'm going to have to go in and set the PIN on it. I can't do that without a bank. Go figure. Anyway, if anybody knows what that noise is, I live on a heavily traveled road. Who knew? Listen. They're out of sync. They're back in sync. So weird. All right, y'all. Good night.